Have you ever pondered how crucial local area networks and wireless local area networks are in our digital world? You see, in the grand scheme of our ever-evolving tech-driven lives, these networks serve as the unsung heroes, ensuring that our digital communications are swift, secure, and seamless. Imagine a bustling city teeming with life. Now picture the intricate network of roads and highways that connect its different regions. That's precisely what a local area network, or LAN, does for digital devices in a specific location. On the other hand, a wireless local area network, or WLAN, is like an invisible web of connections allowing devices to communicate without the need for physical wires. These networks are the backbone of our digital age, enabling everything from your morning browse through social media to crucial business video conferences. They're the silent partners in our journey towards a more connected digital future. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the world of LAN and WLAN. To begin with, let's unravel the mystery of local area networks, commonly known as LAN. It's a term that gets thrown around quite a bit in the world of technology. But what exactly does it mean? LAN is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area. This could be a home, school, office building, or even a group of buildings nearby each other. The purpose of a LAN is to allow devices to connect and communicate with each other. It's like a small town where everyone knows everyone, and they can easily share things with each other. Now, let's talk about how devices connect to a LAN. Imagine the LAN as a spider web, with the central point being the router or switch. Each device, whether it's a computer, printer, or smartphone, is like a spider sitting on the web. They are all connected by Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi to the central point. When one device wants to share something with another, it sends the data through the central point, which then directs it to the correct device. One of the main uses of LAN is data sharing. This could be files, documents, or even software applications. It's like passing a note in class, but instead of paper, you're using digital information. Another use is the sharing of resources, such as printers or scanners. Instead of having a printer for each computer, you can have one printer that everyone can use. LAN also facilitates communication between devices. For instance, in a multiplayer video game, players' computers need to communicate with each other to synchronize the game. This is done through the LAN. It's like a telephone line, but instead of voices, it carries digital data. So in essence, LAN is the backbone of data sharing in close proximity. It allows devices to communicate, share data, and use shared resources. By creating a network of devices, it makes our digital lives more interconnected and efficient. Now imagine the power of LAN, but without the constraints of wires or cables. That's where WLAN comes into the picture. WLAN, or Wireless Local Area Network, is a type of network that allows computers and other devices to connect to the internet and communicate with each other without the need for physical wires or cables. It's like a LAN, but without the limitations of being tethered to a specific location. The purpose of WLAN is simple: to provide flexibility and mobility. With WLAN, you can move around freely and still stay connected. You can be in your living room, your bedroom, or even your backyard, and still be able to access the internet or share files with other devices on the network. How does this happen, you might wonder? Well, WLAN uses radio waves to transmit data. When a device wants to connect to a WLAN, it sends out a signal to the wireless router. The router then sends back a signal, and if the device is within the router's range, a connection is established. It's similar to how your mobile phone connects to a cell tower, but on a much smaller scale. Once connected, devices can share data wirelessly. You can stream videos from your phone to your smart TV, print documents from your laptop without connecting it to the printer, or play multiplayer games with your friends on different devices, all without a single cable in sight. WLAN has also made it possible to create public wireless networks like the ones you find in cafes, airports, or libraries. These networks allow anyone within range to connect to the internet, making it easier for people to stay connected on the go. However, it's important to remember that while WLAN offers great convenience, it also comes with its own set of challenges, like security and signal interference. But with proper setup and maintenance, these can be managed effectively. Indeed, WLAN has revolutionized the way we connect and share data. And as technology continues to advance, who knows what the future holds for wireless networking? One thing's for sure, though, it's an exciting time to be alive in the digital age. You might be wondering, why do LAN and WLAN matter? Well, the answer lies in their ubiquitous presence and the pivotal role they play in our increasingly connected world. Let's start with LAN, or local area network. At its core, a LAN connects devices in a specific geographical area, like an office or home, allowing them to communicate and share resources. This might seem simple, but consider the implications. In a business, a LAN allows employees to collaborate more effectively, sharing files, printers, or even software. It can streamline operations, increase productivity, and even reduce costs. Schools also benefit from LANs, offering students and teachers a platform for sharing educational resources and facilitating interactive learning environments. Now let's consider WLAN, or wireless local area network. As its name suggests, a WLAN offers the same functionality as a LAN, but without the need for physical connections. This wireless feature changes the game completely. With WLAN, you can connect to the network from anywhere within its range, offering unprecedented flexibility. This mobility is especially beneficial in our fast-paced world, where we need to stay connected. Whether we're moving from one meeting to another, studying in different parts of a university campus, or simply browsing the internet from the comfort of our homes. Moreover, WLANs have also paved the way for the proliferation of smart devices. Think about it, your smartphone, smart TV, or even your smart fridge all rely on WLAN to function. They connect, interact, and bring about the smart environment we live in today. In summary, LAN and WLAN are the unsung heroes of our digital age. They make our lives easier, our work more efficient, and our homes smarter. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of our digital connectivity, enabling us to interact, share, and learn in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few decades ago. Without LAN and WLAN, our digital connectivity would look vastly different. Let's recap what we've learned about LAN and WLAN. In our exploration, we've uncovered the mysteries and powers of local area networks, or LAN, and wireless local area networks, or WLAN. Starting with LAN, we've learned that it's a network that connects computers or other devices in a relatively small area, like a home, school, or office building. It's the backbone of most in-house communication systems, providing a fast and secure way to share resources and information. An interesting fact we've discovered is that LANs are typically owned, controlled, and managed by a single person or organization, which means they have full control over its security and performance. Moving on to WLAN. This is a type of LAN that uses high-frequency radio waves instead of wires to communicate and transmit data. It provides us with the flexibility and mobility that traditional LANs can't offer. WLAN has revolutionized the way we connect and interact with the digital world. From cafes to airports, WLAN has made internet access more convenient and accessible, allowing us to stay connected even when we're on the move. Both LAN and WLAN have their unique strengths and uses. While LAN offers speed and security, WLAN provides mobility and convenience. Together, they form the foundation of our digital communication, enabling us to share, receive, and process information like never before. In today's digital age, understanding LAN and WLAN goes beyond mere tech talk. It's about understanding how we connect, communicate, and navigate in the digital space. It's about realizing how these networks have transformed our lives, making us more connected than ever. And as we continue to advance in this digital era, the importance and uses of LAN and WLAN will only continue to grow. They will remain essential tools in our digital toolbox, opening up new possibilities and opportunities for us to explore. Remember, in today's digital age, understanding LAN and WLAN is not just tech jargon, it's essential knowledge. As we wrap up our discussion on LAN and WLAN, it's clear that these technologies are more than just mere acronyms. They are the backbone of our connected world, powering our devices, our communication, and yes, even our YouTube videos. It's crucial that we continue to explore and understand these systems, not just for the sake of knowledge, but because they have real, tangible impacts on our everyday lives. Whether you're streaming your favorite show, working on a school project, or even launching your own startup, LAN and WLAN are tools that can help you achieve your goals. In this digital age, being technologically savvy isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. It is our responsibility to stay informed and to keep learning, to understand not just the what, but also the why and the how. So let's keep this conversation going. Let's continue to delve deeper. Stay connected, stay informed, and remember, the digital world is at your fingertips, literally.